Hi, I am Paula. I will talking about the Santurban wasteland. The Santurban wasteland is a mountain range that contemplates a wide natural region. It's in located Colombia in the municipality and Santander. The wasteland is characterized by its diversity in flora and fauna and is important ecological to Colombia, considering that these contain water sources that supply to the residents for the region, giving not only economic ecological benefit but also by economical benefit. Well, the residents practicing mining unprofessional and this activity is very important for the residents' economy. Nevertheless, this year, the Mine and Energy Ministry has claimed in the media that the Colombian government wants to promote a mining with all standards and that there will not be any affectation. Considering that a project cannot be promoted if that are because this kind of activity is prohibited in Colombia. Because of this, immoral growth, political leaders and citizens are against taking into account that this project is going to take place in high the Andean forest and the subparamount, resulting in terrible ecological damage. Furthermore, the employee this mining project will have a damaging effect in the water that supplies water to Santander, affecting the people who live there and their animals. Deposited this, the Mine and Energy Minister affirmed that there are no impact in the water fountain. Finally, her son photographed pics from the wasteland when news took care of it.